Hello guys, dito kami sa Burking, greeting, kinding, what else?
Titting.
Huh?
Titting.
Titting,
What more?
Heidelberg,
Yeah.
Heilbronn,
Nürnberg.
Rothenburg,
Yeah.
Nürnberg. What a name. What a name here in Germany. They are all city. Puro may mga berg. Berg is a mountain, yeah?
Berg is mountain and Burg is castle.
Pag may berg, may mountain siya. It means, pag burg, may castle. Ayan, ito raw yung channel ng river dito. There's a hanging bridge here, guys. Here. Look at my hair. It is in the middle.
It's in treatment. Your hair is in treatment.
It's under treatment
Under
now.
treatment. It's not ready yet.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's not ready yet. When we arrive home, I will make a shower. Alam nyo ba guys, siya yung nag-treat nito, naglagay ng treatment ko with lemon, fresh lemon. Lemon from Italy. I still have until now. Carol and Giacomo, I still have the lemon from you. And with olive oil and garlic. That's why my hair is really bad smell now. But I have to make this to remove my problem, my scalp problem. It's really horrible. Talagang as in dandruff, balakubak. Ayaw akong iwanan. Grabe. Pag nasa Pinas ako, wala akong balakubak. Pero pag nandito ako, pag nasa ibang bansa ako, grabe, inaatake ako ng balakubak. Ayan. May mga dumadaan. Minsan hinihinaan ko yung boses ko. Yan. Wala kaming magawa. It's a Mother's Day today. We did not go to the restaurant yet. But I make a food at home. That's why I like more my food. We like more. We both love my food.
Good vegetables.
And more healthy.
Not overcooked.
Not overcooked.
And well done.
Yeah.
Well spicy.
Very crunchy
Yeah.
vegetables. We are the simple, happy couple here in Europe. With my
You are the
loving
couple.
hubby.
This
You
is
are the couple.
City of
Couple.
Berlin.
What? You know what couple?
Couple, yeah.
Like husband and wife,
Yeah,
of
I
course.
know what is a couple. A couple are always
you,
two.
you told me you are a couple.
You need two for a couple.
Yeah,
Alone you are a single.
yeah. Where are we going now?
To the car.
We keep
Or we go-
walking.
We walk
Where?
here to the city and then to the car.
Yeah. We don't know where to go. We just want to go around. Supposed to be I have to go to shower, but he's inviting me to go out, guys, because there's a sun, there's a bright sun. He loves the sun so much. Okay guys, bye for now. Mwah. Happy Mother's Day to all pala. Yeah, God bless us all.